Did you know that according to a 2018 report, poor diet is the #1 predictor of early death in North Texas? Hello, my name is Millette Seiler, and I am a registered dietitian nutritionist at Moncrief Cancer Institute. Our mission is to help alleviate the burden of chronic disease and reduce the risk of cancer recurrence by providing nutrition planning and practical cooking education. My program teaches folks how to prepare simple, low-cost, nutritious meals that are comforting and delicious. Just like all of you, we have had to adapt to a new normal in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have found a way to offer these crucial culinary courses to our patients from the safety of their own kitchen through our telehealth programs. My program is free and open to any member of our community with a cancer diagnosis, and your support on North Texas Giving Day helps make this possible. I invite you to join the fight by donating to Moncrief Cancer Institute to support our culinary medicine nutrition program. Thank you.